Hello and welcome to Miranda Made. In today's video, we're making a baby kimono that was from a pattern from the 1970s as well as the 1980s. They apparently reprinted it. So I've made another pattern from this before, but this one is different. So I'm making the kimono, which is view 2, and I'm gonna make it in 2 sizes, a newborn as well as 6-month-old size. This is a very easy pattern. You need very little skill, I think, to make this. So it's a great kind of first sewing project, as well as being really cute and vintage for your baby. So let's jump into that.
So let me go ahead and show you. Here is the flannel fabric I'm going to be using. It's very cute. It has bees all over it. And I have the pieces already cut out, and these are the 2 original patterns. And so here are the numbers in case you want to look those up, and they're newborn and 6-month size. So I'll go ahead, and the first thing I need to do is stitch across the shoulders to the neckline. So I've pinned them, and I'm just going to take them over. And after I did them at the machine, I went ahead and pressed the seams open and pinned the edge of the sleeves like so. After stitching that down, you go ahead and stitch under the arm and down the side, and make sure you make notches at the crook of the arm. And then go ahead and hem the bottom. Then you're going to go ahead and put on your bias tape all the way around the openings and the neck line. I used little clips to help hold it in place, and of course I pressed it as I learned in the last video, stitching as neatly as I can and finishing it up like so. And then I went ahead and put these little snaps in. I found these snaps at the dollar store, so that was pretty awesome. They were easily done. But of course the original calls for ties, so I did put a tie at the top of the newborn one, and then I put a snap because I just think they're easier to use than ties. And here they are side by side, 6-month and newborn. Now on the inside I made a little tag with an N for newborn, and I just stitched this on my machine. It's not perfect, but I can recognize it's an N. And all cute and folded. They turned out really well. I'm quite happy with the result.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And of course, as always, please take a moment, like if you liked this video, subscribe if this is your first time here, and go ahead and share with a friend. Also, leave a comment if you have made any of these patterns before, or if there are any vintage children's patterns you have enjoyed in the past. I would love to hear about those. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.